everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can repair the Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer in just 3 easy simple steps. So without further ado, let's get into it. And the first thing we need to do is to go to the command prompt window, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab CMD, and under best match the command prompt options will be out, so please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator and just click on yes. So in here all we need to do is in this black window just paste the command that you will see under the description box below. The first command that you will see, please copy it and then paste it here. So let me just copy this first command and then paste it in this black window. And then once pasted, please click on enter. And the moment you hit enter, it will start scanning your system. So let's just wait for this to be done. And once this is done, once the verification process is done, please do make a quick restart with your device and see if it's already working. Okay, so the next step we have is to open the deployment image servicing and management, which is the DISM, and we need to copy this second command here. You will also see this in the description box below. Just copy it, and again let's open the command prompt window. So let's type here again CMD and click on command prompt, right click on run as administrator, click on yes, and once this black window will be up on your screen, please paste the command that you just copy. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / RestoreHealth. Once pasted, please click on enter, and once this process is done, please make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to troubleshoot settings, and we can do that by simply making a click here in the Windows icon, and then let's go to settings. And from the left pane you will see a search tab. Please click on it and type troubleshoot. And here we need to go to troubleshoot settings and click on other troubleshooters. So in here all you need to do is choose for the options where you are having trouble with. So if you're having issues with your printer, Windows Update, you can click on this run button to start or to do the troubleshooting. And once the troubleshooting is done, please make again a quick restart with your device. And if you still have some issues and you want to repair your device without deleting the data that you have, so we can do that by simply following the last process that I'm going to show you. So here again in our Windows search tab, please type recovery options. Under settings, please click on it. And you will see these options, reset this PC. Please click on reset PC. And then please choose for the option that you want. So as I have said, if you want to repair your device without deleting the data that you have, so you can choose the first option, which is keep my files, removes apps and other settings, but keeps your personal files. So just click on it and getting things ready. This won't take long. So how would you like reinstall Windows? I suggest that you click on this first option here. And after the download, after the process is done, you can now make a quick restart with your device, and your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer will now be repaired. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.